Hi everyone, Tim Astris. So today I just wanted to run over an easy Python script for OpenAI to use the API or OpenAI libraries in Python to create a chatbot. And the reason I'm doing this is I went to OpenAI's website and the code that they had didn't work out of the box. So I wanted to share this with everybody. And I used ChatGPT and Gemini to help me build it. Just to see if I could. I do know how to code, but I like to use AI because it's much faster than me coding. It just, you can debug with it and it'll eventually get it right. You just keep sending back the results and your errors, and ChatGPT or Gemini will help you debug your code. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is pip install OpenAI with a small q or -q for quiet. Then you're going to open or import the OpenAI library. From the OpenAI library, you're going to import the OpenAI module, which is what's showing on the API key. That key will be gone by the time this is published. Next, we're going to go to the function def chat for the user input. It's going to take the response from chat completions. It's going to create that for a user input. Then we have a system prompt. For this one, I just put in a simple one. This is your meat and potatoes of your chatbot. This is where you tell OpenAI how to act. You can tell it to be a game master in a simulation and give you 10 separate questions with 4 multiple choice answers per question and give you a summary of the simulation afterwards if you want. And it will do that. I built a self-graded test about 9 months, a year ago. And AI will do it using API calls, which is pretty cool. But I put your Python programmer, respond to all coding questions with Python scripts. So I'm just going to trigger it to start. This will send the user prompt and it'll be ready to query OpenAI. Saying, please provide the coding question or problem you need assistance with. Saying take a CSV file and parse it into a JSON file. You'll see it gave what libraries to import. It gives the function of what it's going to do, the JSON path, CSV file path. It tells exactly what it's going to do. But this is an easy chatbot to build. Anybody can do it. I just want to say it took me a lot of mistakes to get here. Don't be afraid of breaking your code. That's what it's there for. Make mistakes with it and it'll eventually work. As long as you keep trying. Rinse, recycle, repeat. Just keep looking at code and you'll eventually get it. But like I said, this is the meat and potatoes of it. It is the system prompt. And you can go into my code and change this around, and it'll give you a real good understanding of what AI can do. Play with it, break it, keep a copy. I'm going to post this up in GitHub, and you can download it anytime, and you know it's a working script right now. The only time it won't be working is if they change the OpenAI libraries, which they've done quite a few times over the past year, where it will break code because the libraries are updated. So when that happens, you have to update the code. But just wanted to share, and hopefully my son, Caden, who is learning Python, takes a look at this. I know you can do it, bud. Just give it a try. Anyway, that's it. Like, share, subscribe if you find this useful. But this is a working chatbot in Python All you gotta do is put your OpenAI key into it, and it'll work out of the box. Thanks.